I'll show you one product in Clickbank that you can promote on Google Ads using its product name itself, which costs a very low cost per click, and you can create a campaign with this product without spending too much of your budget, and it has a decent amount of commission when you get the sale. So if you head over to Affiliate Marketplace, so you type in Midas and you click on this. So I assume some of you may have seen this product while browsing the Clickbank product affiliate marketplace, but you sometimes skip that and overlook that this is a really good product, Midas manifestation. And as you can see, the gravity is 62.79, and you can get up to $40 per sale. So when you take a look at the sales page, it does get a pretty good sales page with video and some of the articles that you can use in creating your landing page. Now the next step is we have to create a landing page in order to promote this product. So head over to thepagepro.com, sign up for a free account. So this way you can easily create a landing page without spending too much time. So as I always cover in my channel about Clickbank promotion, so I always use this thepagepro.com because you don't have to spend too much technical details on your creating landing pages. So it's straightforward. You just put in your details and you have the landing page. So as you can see, these are all the landing page I created before. So if we take a look at one example, so let's see this bad breath free forever that I had made few sales promoting this using this landing page. So as you can see, it's clean, it's beautiful, it's straightforward, and you can instantly send your traffic here and then get some sales. So to do that, so what you have to do is click on this add new landing page, and so type in here Midas manifestation, and then the path name is just put on Midas. Don't put any spaces because this will go along with the URL. So just click on yes, yes, and then here is the button label. As you can see here, this will become the label here over here. So continue to Midas, and then you can copy the same for article section. And if you want the opt-in type, then just put in the same. Okay, so and then the base color of the button. So for example, we select blue. That's fine. And then the affiliate link, you can get it from here. So just click on this and create hop link and copy this one over here. Now paste it here, very important. This will embed along with within the buttons. So when visitors click on the button, so it goes through your affiliate link. Okay. Now here the top bar text is some little bit information about what Midas manifestation is offering, like this one. So it will come here. So what you can do is go to the sales page, maybe copy some of small details that will make your visitors attractive to your landing page, and paste that over there. And the headline section will be this part. Okay, so again, come here. What you can do is copy some enticing headline that will make your visitors click your affiliate link, and make sure it's heading 1. And then the image section will be here, the main image that you want to use on your landing page. So again, head over to the sales page and grab some main image that you want to be added on the bullet section. So maybe most of the time just grab the main product image. So for example, this one. So I'll save this. Okay, once you save that, head back to thepagepro.com, and here in the menu you can click on manage images. So it will open up the resources of all the image repository that you have saved for your previous landing page. You can either reuse them, you can reuse, just copy the file name, or upload the new ones that we have saved. So to upload that, so just browse that image. Okay, once you have browsed it, so just upload. And as you can see, the image that uploaded, just copy this, head back here, and then paste the image. And then the bullet section will be this information that you want to show directly to your visitors. So go back to the sales page and grab some. Oh, exactly, this is, I think we can grab this for information from the sales page. So get a notepad. Oops. Okay, think. Okay, so these 4, just grab these 4. Okay, and then copy that, go back to the page pro. Okay, you have that, and save offer, and that's it. That's how easy you can create a landing page. So if you click on view landing page, you get the your initial landing page itself. Okay, beautiful information around here. So if you want to change the color, so go to Midas. So its color is something like gold yellow. So what you do is grab the hexacode of this. So what I have here is a extension in Chrome, so which I can grab the hexacode. So maybe try that. If it looks good, head back here. So change what you have here, and then save, and then refresh that. I think this looks better. It matches what we are trying to offer. And then again, make sure you have your article section. And if you don't want that, just click this no. But in this example, we will just click on yes. Again, for article section, you can head back here and grab some little article around here. So for example, you want to have this, how to manifest money. So get this as your heading. So here, same as bullet section, you have article headline over here. Once you paste that, this to heading one. And here you can do this highlight. So to make it like that, just click that. So it will grab the color of your main theme that you put here. Okay. So same thing you do to the bullet section. So that it adds some, flavor to your landing page. Just click this HL. Okay. So it looks really nice. And then again, the image, so you can reuse some of the images around here, or you can save a new one from, Google or the landing page itself, sales page, I mean. So if you want to save this, so let's save this. Okay, then upload that as well here. So browse that. Okay, and then upload the image. Once it got uploaded, so just same thing, copy the file name and head back to article section. And for article text, you can create your own, or if you want to just, make this really quick, you can grab what they have here, some of the, information that you can get from the sales page and put it together on your, landing page. And then that over here, that's simple. And then click on save offer. Again, let's view the landing page. Okay, oh, it's done. So you can start promoting this right away. See, as you can see. So here, if you want to put this on the next, because the layout of the article section is the image always on the left and all the text will be on your right. So if it's quite long and if you want to put some of the paragraph below this article section here, what you do is just do this one time. It's a simple step. So just copy here. This gets instruction around here. So just put it there. That's it. And then click on save offer. And then, let's refresh the page. And here you get your very nice landing page that's ready to get from promoted on any advertising platform you want. In this example, we will be using Google Ads to promote this. Okay, so when you go to all landing pages, you will see this new created landing page around here, Midas manifestation. So this is the URL that you're going to use to promote this to Google Ads. So let's head over to Google Ads really quick. So once you are here in your Google Ads account, so what you do is click tools and then keyword planner. This is how we will be getting our keywords that we will be putting on our campaigns. This is a very important step, so you have to watch this out. So in keyword planner, what you do is click this discover new keywords, because this is the 60% of the step that we're doing is coming from here. We have to select a really good keywords in order to make sales. So here, change the location to United States, because that's the country where we will be creating our campaign. So here I'm going to show you how cheap we can get from choosing this Midas manifestation keyword. Okay, so if you click on this get result, as you can see here, it's got pretty good number of volume searches per month, and it has not that much of cost per click. So what you can do here is choose those keyword that you want to put on your campaign. So here, those related keywords on your offer. So click this, and don't click the review because it's a landing page, so it's not really related to our review. So this one, free download, so ignore that. So here, Midas manifestation system, Midas manifestation system. So grab that, all those things that you feel that can make sales. So here, click that, and then Midas manifestation official website. Okay, so all those, and then you can move to the next next page as you wish. But as this product is not too competitive, so it's not really not too much people are promoting this product in Google Ads, so you have a really good chance of making some sales. So once you have selected your keywords, so click this, copy. So we can use this in our campaign. So remove that, paste that on our notepad, and now it's time to create a campaign. So head back here, click on new campaign, very easy. So here, click on website traffic and ignore this one. Just click on continue and then click on search. So ignore this, and here, name your campaign Midas. Continue. All right. And then here, in bidding, make sure you select clicks and tick this, and then the the amount that you're willing to pay per click, per visitor click, once your ads shown up in the result. So click, let's say 0. You're willing to pay 0.50 per click, or 0.40. Okay, so let's say you send 100 visitors to your affiliate link to your landing page, so that will be $4. So it's not that much, I mean $40. And in those 100 visitors, so if you're lucky enough, you can get 2 sales. So you and if we check the earnings that we get for promoting Midas, so it's pretty good, 40.81. So getting 2 sales out of 100 visitors, 2%, you get at least $40 40 profit and you get a $80 revenue. Okay, so that's cool. Okay, and if you really make a good job on creating your landing page, you may get at least 3 sales for 100 visitors. So it's not guaranteed, but there's a really good chance. It depends on how you set up your campaign. So now going back, so 40 cents, and so once it's running, you can adjust this anytime. Like if you feel like you don't get any that much impression, or you don't get that much clicks, then you can just adjust this accordingly, okay, based on your budget. Okay, click on next, and then here make sure you untick this, because we only want traffic from quality. We only want quality traffic from Google site itself. And then here, of course, choose United States, and okay, to expand our visitor, choose United Kingdom as well. Okay, and then here just skip this step, leave this as it is, English, and then click on next. So here, group, so you can rename that if you want, because you can create multiple groups. So here, Midas keyword, because we added the product itself, Midas, as our keyword, so we name that. So, and then it's very important, paste your keyword that you got from the keyword planner. All right, so these are all your keywords. Now here, this is where we will be going to put our ads. So go back to your page pro, and this is the URL. Okay, copy that and then paste that as the final URL. So here is optional. You can put the path over here, so it shows up in your ad. So as you can see there, so sometimes people won't be clicking your ad, so you can save time, and they will just type exactly the URL that's shown here. So in that case, you can save your money. You can save the amount that you'll be paying for the click, because some people prefer to type the link, the URL on their browser. So that's really good. So here, and then the headline, what you can do here is whatever you put on your, it has to be related. So how the elite use secret knowledge, although it's a bit challenging because you only have 30 characters. So secret knowledge about the universe, so you can put something like that. So copy that and head back. So secret knowledge or you can remove that. Okay, knowledge about the universe, then put the product here, Midas manifestation. Okay, get some more details, because you need to put at least 3 headlines. Go back to your landing page. Here, discover your past hidden life, attract lasting love and rejuvenate. Okay, you can grab this one. So it's up to you. This is just a demo that I'm showing you. So it's up to you how you will, configure your ads. So your mind and body. So you can remove that. Great. So we have this, and make sure this one, Midas manifestation, do something like that. Okay. And here, pin this on the first position. So here, when the ads appear, so it goes this way. So Midas manifestation, official knowledge about the universe. So you can, just play a little bit on your headlines. Okay. Okay, so discover some of the words that you think may attract clicks on your ads, and then the description. Again, you can grab from either the sales page or your landing page. So here, what you can do is just copy this, whatever you put on your landing page, so you can also put it here in the description, and then another one, at least 2. So go back here, learn how man discovered hidden Egyptian library. Okay, let's try if this will fit in our campaign. Okay, I think that's enough. And as you preview your image, ads here, so it looks pretty good. Okay, that's it. And then you can click on next, and then your budget per day, say 50. You want to spend 50. So here, this is just an estimate. So at least this is a good sign that it shows that you can get some clicks. Don't worry about this. So this is just an estimate. As long as this shows a number, some numbers of clicks, so this means that you're doing good in your keyword selection. It means you can get traffic. Okay, so click on next, and just review your campaign before you publish it. And once it got published, so Google may take 1 to 2 business days to approve your ads, or sometimes less than 24 hours, and your ad will get approved and start running. So just once it gets approved, just monitor it and adjust your budget, your bid accordingly, and yeah, you're good to go. So yeah, so if you want to create a really quick method, a quick strategy on how you create this campaign and landing page, so just follow these steps. So go, don't spend too much time creating landing page. So just head over to thepagepro.com, and you can create these many landing page, without spending too much time and without spending money. So thepagepro.com, it's really good landing page creator builder. Okay, and that's it. If you want more content about this, so just subscribe, and you can watch more of my videos regarding all the tips on affiliate marketing on Clickbank. Thanks.